In this video, you're going to examine the Res folder within project files. Amongst other folders, the Res folder is generated at the point of creating a new project in Android Studio. There are various subfolders within this folder. For this video, you will learn more about the Drawable and Mipmap folders. While both the Drawable and Mipmap folders are used to store image assets for your app, Mipmap is an upgrade that Google introduced as an improvement to Drawable. So, I recommend that you use Mipmap for app development. There are a few Mipmap folders within the Res folder. Let's examine the first folder, Mipmap-NEDPI-version 26. Just like the Drawable folder, it contains different images and assets. However, using the Mipmap folder is a simple way of providing a quality image and image scale within your app. In other words, using Mipmap will help ensure that your app renders high-quality images across different devices. To understand this better, let's imagine an app user is using a Nexus 6 mobile phone. This device has an impressive resolution at about 2560 by 1400 pixels. In Android, this translates to 730 by 430 density-independent pixels. In order to maintain image quality when running on the Nexus 6 device, the app is going to select the image asset from the Mipmap-XXX HDPI folder instead of the other folders. This is because it contains image assets of higher density and will work better on a device with a very high resolution. So, with Mipmap, when you run your app, the selection of images is strictly based on the density of the device. In this Mipmap folder, the image assets are 192 by 192 WebP, as displayed in the top right corner, where WebP is Google's image format, like PNG and JPEG, for example. Let's open another Mipmap folder, Mipmap-XX HDPI. The image asset quality is now 144 by 144 WebP. The Mipmap folders contain the same images but in different sizes or densities so that when a user runs your app on their device, it retains the quality of the images regardless of the density of the device they are using. In other words, the aim of putting your image assets such as icons into Mipmap is to ensure you retain high-quality visuals in your application. This means the images will not become blurry when the app is run on a device with higher density. You now know more about using Mipmap in the Res folder in order to render high-quality image assets in an app project.